Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Today we're going to be making a creamy dill dip today on Madeira Green Moments. So you want to eat more vegetables? Here's what you need to make this amazing creamy dill dip. I am using organic Greek whole milk plain yogurt. You do not want sugar in this because that's gonna make your dip really gross. Now, this recipe could be used with sour cream, but this is a much healthier option and it has 21 grams of protein per serving. So great option to make those creamy dips and you will not tell the difference, I promise. Okay, we're gonna use a tablespoon of fresh dill, 1.5 cup of our Greek yogurt. Then we are going to use 1/4 teaspoon for pepper. And we're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm using my Himalayan pink salt crystals from Trader Joe's. And then you're going to use 1 tablespoon of milk, but we don't keep milk in this house unless it's almond milk or vanilla milk that's like cashew milk. So I'm going to use my organic half and half. And so we're only going to use 1 tablespoon of this, and that's just to get it to continue to blend. Then you need a high speed, high power blender, and we're going to pulse it until it's the desired consistency that we want. So here is my Ninja blender. Guys, I have been raving about this thing. It is so amazing. I will link the one that I'm using below. It has changed our lives. I thought I had an amazing blender until I got this and I was like, oh my goodness, so good. So let's go ahead and put our ingredients together. All right, I have my unsweetened Greek yogurt in there. Next I'm going to do, let me show you here, salt and the pepper. And then I have my 1 tablespoon of fresh dill that I've chopped up. Then we're going to pulverize it. Okay, so this recipe fills up 1 ramekin of dip. Of course, I will not eat this in one sitting. Anyway, I will only eat probably about 2 tablespoons at a time. However, I just wanted to plate it for you to look like Mickey Mouse because that's what I do with my food. Am I the only one that makes their food look like Mickey Mouse at any chance they get? Okay, maybe just me. But if you want to see our Disney happenings, we post on the vlog channel every week and we go to Disney often. So here's my view of Mickey. I'm going to share with you how it tastes. Okay, let me get some dip here on my cucumber. All right, you ready? Final taste test. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Dill and creamy. Of course, you can play up those flavors however you want. Super yummy. Super good. All right, if you try this recipe, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, if you like these kinds of videos, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. You know, it's good when you're going back in for another one.